Hi, I'm Pei Wen from QCT. Today, we are excited to introduce our valuable ecosystem partner, Techman Robots. This year, we are honored to collaborate with Techman Robots on the rack inspection and the digital twin to accelerate the transformation for smart manufacturing. So now, let's welcome our partners, Anson, to share more details about this collaboration.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Anson from Techman Robot. We're not just only providing a robot arm, but we are providing total solution starting from planning, deploying, and evaluating. Starting off with the planning stage, we have the Omniverse with us, the digital twin. We import the CAD file and we can start off with the planning of the motions and the path. But not just only that, we can have forecast most of the situation in real world so that we can have much better and or optimum solution or the path for it before we deploy to the real world. After the planning stage from the Omniverse, we deploy the model to the robot. This year, we bring in innovating technique, the flying trigger. Other than traditional AI, where the robot would stop on the object for taking pictures, we hovering on top of the object, while each flashing represent a picture has been captured and been influenced by our artificial intelligence. This is more efficient than the traditional way. After the images are collected and be influenced by our artificial intelligence engine, the images will be kept in the TM Image Manager. Other than human operator, results may be varied depending by each operator's individual standard. But with our solution, results are based on the AI model. And not just only that, we can keep the inspection records. Even for a long period of time, the inspection records with the image can be provided to the customers who he needs.
Thank you, Anson. So, with Techman Robots capabilities, we can automate the quality check on racks with higher precision and efficiency. When combined QCT servers, we can realize the simulation, real-time monitoring, and make smarter decisions through the digital twin technology. So, together with Techman Robots, we are making the smart factory a reality.